Hello driving intelligence community. In the last video I showed you how I got the initial alignment done on this 1985 Mustang SVO. The wheels are pointing straight, but the steering wheel is off. That's what I'm going to take care of today in this video. Before I get started, I wanted to point out a modification that was very useful for my Mustang many years ago. At the top of this photo, you'll see the stock rag joint. It has a soft disc that wears out over time and can cause some steering problems, loosened steering. I did some research and I found out that Flaming River makes a steering shaft that replaces that rag joint with two U-joints, and it's a really nice piece of equipment. This really improved my steering dramatically, and I've had it on for probably 15 plus years. They've been in business for a long time, and this was a great modification. I'll put a link below for you, but and I don't work for them. I don't get any money from them, but it is a modification I made to my Mustang that is extremely worthwhile, and you'll see how this benefited straightening my steering wheel in the coming segment. My steering wheel adjustment is going to be rather easy because when that sloppy rag joint that I had on the Mustang failed, I put one of these Flaming River racks in here, the steering column, and it's splined down here. So hopefully that spline will give me the option to straighten up the steering wheel. I think I've done this before, but I'm going to do it again so I don't have to take up all the adjustment in the tie rods. To make sure my steering wheel stays straight while I'm realigning the steering shaft, I hung a weight onto the steering wheel. It's going to keep it straight. I removed my Flaming River rack, and you can see it's just a few pieces. I got two really nice U-joints, and there are two shafts. It was a little difficult to get out because the shafts are not painted or coated, so they rusted. So I cleaned them up pretty good and put some rust preventative on there. But the nice thing to know is that where it attaches to the steering is completely splined. Got my Flaming River steering shaft in, and I added a little bling paint to it to keep it from rusting. You'll notice also I've got the Allen screws and the lock nuts on there with a little bit of Loctite just to keep it from coming off. The beauty of this is that it is splined 360 degrees around the shaft going into the rack, as well as the input to, or this U-joint. So I was able to straighten up the steering. So everything is centered now. If by chance the steering wheel is still not straight when I'm driving the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and take up some of that adjustment in the tie rods. Should be very minimal. Of course, whatever adjustments I'll make in each direction, I'll have to take up on the opposite side. And that should give me a straight steering wheel. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my driving intelligence community.